All right, this is my most useful tool to shave me, all right? So pretty much shaves everywhere, but I use it mostly for my beard. I don't use it for down there. Now, these are replaceable blades. If you guys can see that, the blades, you can actually change them in here. You don't have to add anything else. Best part about it, type C charging station. It turns green when it's on, red when it's charging. You could remove the whole thing entirely and clean it up. So let's put this to use. All right, so first we're gonna start shaving down with this, all right? Trim it down. Down a little bit so you guys can see. This is before. But overall, came out really good. Shave, everything really smooth. Now I need his aftershave and a little cream here and there for the dryness, because I get irritated. It's simple, but shaved everywhere. Did a great, fantastic job. Those are looking for a nice razor, just like I am. They're irritated, but that's natural. I always get that. Very simple. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.